So I want to take a moment and say thank you for watching. And at the very end here, we're just going to clean up everything that we did. So on my main celebrate script at the very end, I have how to remove everything. So what I'm going to do for those Windows Server 2022 groups is I'm going to use a for each loop to delete these resource groups. And you have to do -- yes to have an uninterrupted deletion. And then, so we're going to paste this into the Cloud Shell. And so now this will just sit here and run and delete those resource groups. And then we're also going to come in and delete them just with the Azure portal. So when you delete a resource group, all of the resources inside of the resource group get deleted. So now, in about 5 minutes, all of this will be deleted, including the resource group. So in our mixed VMs example, when you're doing testing, you can see how valuable it is to put all of your test objects into a container and then, into a resource group. And then when you're done, you can just nuke the resource group and then go back to square one. And then we'll delete the Docker host group. And so the iteration deleting is just kind of a neat, fun thing that you can do. It's actually not going to be any faster. It's actually, see, it's still deleting the first group. So it hasn't even got to the other one when I can just pop in here and just start deleting them from the opposite side. So I'm just going to come here and delete these. And I'll probably be done by the time it moves on to the, to the third one. Just go in here. So you could just go in and delete each resource one at a time, but you could see how tedious that would be. So this is nice that you can just click on delete the resource group and it will delete. Okay, we can see our first resource group was officially deleted. And you could actually go in here and monitor everything. Oh, that's actually been deleted. Thank you for watching.